Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a quit dialog before your application is completely closed by the user in a Flutter macOS application. So here you can see I have one Flutter macOS app running, and if the user right clicks on it and click on quit, as you can see the app is not dismissed, so the user will have to click on this app and then click on this quit application. So I'll show you how to do this. So firstly you will have to write Swift code. So you just open your XE workspace from macOS inside Xcode. Then you will have to go to this app delegate file which you see over here, and inside that you will have to override this method called application should terminate. Here I am creating an alert. The message text is quit application and informative text is are you sure you want to quit the application. Alert style is dot warning, and here I have created two buttons, quit and cancel. And if the quit button is clicked, so that is the first button, so I'm terminating now, otherwise I'm canceling the termination. So yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.